an original M47 Armourer's bullet mould. To retain the correct tension of the pivot during casting, a purpose-made spanner was used as the brass washers tended to loosen. The mould casts a spherical base streamlined 15.8mm diameter bullet known as the Botzengeshoss. It used the same sabot as the M41 ball, the 15.85mm. It used the same sabot as the M41 ball, the 15.85mm diameter Kugel. The M47 cartridge was the first to see military service. The bullet was unstable at longer ranges and eventually replaced by the M55 cartridge. The 16.35mm diameter experimental Versuchss Kompressions Geshoss for the Jager rifles. A sabot was not used and the primer was contained in a pocket in the base. Although accurate and showing promise, was not adopted.